How to enable or disable S Pen to text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. You will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and you will see S Pen to text is here. So if you want to disable S Pen to text, so turn off this button, you will see S Pen to text is disabled from here. So if you want to enable S Pen to text, so turn on this button, you will see S Pen to text is enable. So you will enable or disable S Pen to text from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable S Pen to text on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.